Jen's birthday! It's a 55-kilometer drive from Bulacan to Subic. It took us an hour and a half. Alam mo na, traffic even on the weekend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
At alam naman nila na masarap ang lobster. Umorder ka agad. Pag-upo ko meron na. So syempre,
daming lobster.
So iba't ibang klase ang lobsters na hinanda nila. Mayroong butter, may cheese. Mayroon pang isang parang bear lang grilled. Siguro naka 20 to 30 pieces ako.
You know. Pwede ba yung coaching ano?
Siyempre, pahinga muna. Ito, ipon-putahe naman.
Ano yan?
Siyempre, may nasingin na crablo and steak. Or, I think it's roast beef. Nagdagdag tayo, siyempre, ng sashimi. At nang naubos na sashimi, lobster ulit. Konting wine. Lobster ulit. Nyam, 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 nyam. Kwentuhan time! Ang latest tea. Pagkatapos ng chismisan, syempre, picture time! Behind the scenes. Ganda naman sa Soler. There's Deo. We got Kino, Cheska, and Kara, and Isabel. Hindi ko makita, wala siya sa frame. Solo shot with mom, birthday girl, and the birthday girls.
From Givenchy.
Siyempre, dumaan din kami sa friends stage. Picture.
Naman yun. Kahit pa paano.
Siyempre, kailangan natin ng 180 shot. Moving shots. Ganda ng smile ni Jen. May tinuturo si Kara doon. Doon may fishball. Behind the scenes ulit. Literally, behind me. Or behind them. And you got the massive chandelier. Kilala ba kayo nanalo na dyan? Wala ito naman. At highlight of the day, regalo ni Richmond. Grabe, sarap gamitin. And si Creamers biglang higa kay Isabel. Na-miss niya.